Hey y'all, it's your girl Kia Janaea Pretty B Vlogs, and I'm here with another video. On this channel, we do all things glam, all things decor, shopping, and more. If you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you for doing so. Thank you for being here, and thank you for supporting. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, you need to go ahead and do that because you're going to like it. And if you're not subscribed at this point, I really don't know what you're doing. This video is actually a follow-up or a part 2 to the last video that I did when I was going through my wig bin to see what wig I wanted to freshen up and install. This is the one that I chose to go with. I already got her washed and prepped. I was actually supposed to install her that same night that I made the other video, but it ended up getting late. So today is actually Friday. It is March the 14th. Yeah, March the 14th. So I'm going to go ahead and install her now because I want to wear it tonight. Me and hubby are going out on a date night, just going to grab a little bit of dinner. So I figured I'd go ahead and put her on for that. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Exclusive. I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn up blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. Explaining how I choose to live my life, cause I told you when we started, instead of just...
All right, y'all, so I'm about to bond this down. I'm going to use the Got to Be Glued spray. Normally, if I'm putting one on and I want it to stay for a while, I use the Ghost Bond glue. Hold on. I'll use the Ghost Bond. That's if I want to keep it on for a little while, but this I may only wear a day or two. So I don't want anything that's going to be too permanent. So as you saw, my hair is already washed. First thing I did was just brush my hair back. Some people, they'll put the wig cap on underneath. I've never really found the need for it. Plus, I don't like having to go through the whole long process of putting the glue or the freeze spray on that to get it to stick to my head and the cutting and all that extra. I don't really care for the wig caps. So this is easier for me. This is how it works for me. This isn't meant to be a tutorial. This is just how I'm applying this wig on my head the way I like it. Do y'all remember when these lace wigs first came out and the instructions, or at least the instructions I saw on the lace front wigs when they first came out, they was telling people to cut off their baby hair to make the wig stick better and look more natural? If you ain't never wore a lace wig before, and if you happen to see somebody or some instructions and they tell you to do that, don't listen to them. They try and set you up. You're going to be looking like a damn fool when it's time to take that wig off when you want to wear your natural hair. And you just looking super extra bald faced around the top. I did that, and it took a minute for my stuff to roll back right. Don't do it to yourself. Don't listen to them. The devil is a lie. So as y'all see, I sprayed a little bit of the Ghost Bond on my actual skin before I sprayed it on the wig. Again, this is how I do it. And a little bit on these flyaway hairs to get those pressed back too, because they keep coming up.
No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want.
Then basically I just try to get her lined up the way I want her. And I like to start my tacking from the ear and work my way to the middle. And it's actually already sticking to what I had sprayed on my skin previously. But of course I'm going to spray more.
My everything, baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run, baby.
And I just take the end of a rat tail comb and just kind of press it in like this.
I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run, baby. Let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life, 'cause I told you when we started. Instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out, let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run, baby. Let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run, baby. Let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. Under the lights, you look so amazing. It's the moonlight that makes me wonder why we separated. Or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby, might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight, take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby. It's in the night when I think I made it. When all day dedicated, 18 hours then take me back, baby, baby. Only wanna turn me on and turn me out. Thinking about it now. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Make me leap of faith, cause we so brave to turn around. Give another go. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Baby, hindsight is 2020. Take me back, baby. Back, baby. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby. You've been so patient, so patient. I kept you waiting. Want me back, baby. Then take me back, baby.
Now, I ain't no fan of a whole bunch of baby hairs. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I don't like it when it look like curtains on your face. But I'm going to put a little something on here.
know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Alright, y'all, so this is how she came out so far. I tried the baby hair, but I'm telling y'all, I'm not a dramatic baby hair person. I prefer the more like free flowy type baby hairs, not the ones that's like gelled and glued down to my forehead. I just can't get with that. I try and I try and I try. And then some people, when they do their wigs, I see them and they don't go too overboard and it looks okay. But it's just not me. So I got her on. She secured good enough. I'll probably end up taking this off by Sunday. So wasn't trying to, like I said, use the Ghost Bond glue. I just use the Got To Be glue spray and it works fine. And I'm going to go ahead and put my band on my head, give it a few minutes, probably hop in the shower because me and hubby are going to go and grab some dinner tonight. That'll be in a separate vlog if I vlog it. But gonna hop in the shower. When I get out, I'm gonna take my band off and then I'm gonna get to curling her. I'm gonna do a slight side part with this one. I just feel like with this length of hair on me, I think the side part will just give a little more than if I did something in the middle. So yeah, I'll be right back.
Nothing could have made me believe. No one could have convinced me. Had to use my own two eyes to see. 'Cause always make you think you going crazy. Something in the way they lie, manipulation. No more patience. 'Cause there's a million things that I'd rather do than to be fishing for truth. Am I in the twilight zone? Or am I just a fool so wrong for loving you? But you forgot that I'm a shooter. Think I'll take 5 shots. One for the day that I learned I 2 for the bridges you burned I 3 for the chances you had, and 4 for the bitches you bagged, and 5 for never being sad. No, 1 for the trauma you caused. 2 for the number of draws I found. 3 for the promises made, and 4 for the way that you break 'em. 5 shots won't take no more. 5 shots won't take no more. Oh, you find it funny, lying straight through your teeth. That's your loss, it's not on me. 'Cause tonight I'm going out, work it out with a few dreams. 1 for the day that I learned 2 for the bridges you burned 3 for the chances you had, and 4 for the bitches you bagged, and 5 for never being sad. No, 1 for the trauma you caused. 2 for the number of draws I found. 3 for the promises made, and 4 for the way that you break 'em. 5 shots won't take no more. shots won't take no more. Won't take no more. Am I in the twilight zone? Or am I just a fool so wrong for loving you? But you forgot that I'm a shooter, think I'll take a bite. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me?
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so
Thanks for watching.